about the market like it is, and it seems like it's undeclared. Maybe it's a little, people are unsure. It's a good question that comes up often when people are reaching out to us about you guys is, should I invest in stocks and bonds, or should I buy just gold and silver?
You'd be shocked how often that comes up in conversations.
Really? Yeah.
Yes. I think this kind of plays a little bit on our conversation about Bitcoin earlier. Is it a good diversifier in a portfolio? Yes. That's just proven over time in history. There's periods of time where stocks and bonds don't do as well as gold and silver. But historically speaking, and really what drives our investment process at Correct Capital Wealth Management is one that's rooted in evidence and fundamentals. We really take a long-term approach to the way that we handle our clients' money. So what we don't do is chase short-term fads. Right or wrong, that's just the way that we operate. What we want to do is make sure that our clients stay the course and are invested for the long term, because at the end of the day, all that matters is that they stay invested. The problems with gold and silver, there's not a whole lot of fundamental reasons as to why you should always own gold and silver in your portfolio. Those reasons might change. The benefits come and go, right? There's periods of time where those things can drastically outperform just the general markets, but there's also extended periods of time where they drastically underperform. Mm-hmm. And that is what I call risk, right? The risk of being wrong for a very long period of time, or just the risk that you might have gotten lucky on your timing, made some money, but ultimately that's not consistent and something that you can hold your hat on moving forward. So instead, what we would do is we would say, let's focus on the stocks and bonds where we understand the fundamentals that drive returns over the long term, other than someone else is willing to pay a higher price in this for this thing that I own. And we continue to own a diversified basket of stocks and bonds. And yes, once in a while, when a client asks that question about gold, we're comfortable owning it in the portfolio, but it goes back to my comments earlier. Why are we owning it? What are the purposes? And if it's for diversification, by all means, we can incorporate it into the portfolio. If it's for the sense that, hey, it's gone up a lot recently, the answer is no, because the likelihood that you're on the right side of that trade is very low.
So the truth in it is, if you think gold and silver is a tangible, protected, hard asset, it's really just as testy and risky as the market.
Right.